Hi, this is Subhashmita Majumdar from IIPS DAVV Indore, and here I am to give the NAD solution for the question Gaussian elimination method. NAD is a subject that is numerical analysis and design. So starting with the question, that is Gaussian elimination method. This is a method to solve simultaneous linear equations of the form ax, where a is ax equals to c, where all these are matrix. Two steps that involves is forward elimination and back substitution. So forward elimination method is, the goal of forward elimination is to transform the coefficient matrix into an upper triangle matrix. So you can see that these are the various coefficients that are given, and here it is in the form of A. This is the whole matrix A, that is the coefficient. Here is the matrix X, and here we can find out the matrix C. Like you can see, this is of the form this. So now triangularization means that you can see a number of zeros here. So you can see that these zeros are in the form of triangle. So after having a few steps of mathematics, we can obtain this triangularization. So a set of n equations and n unknowns. Here we have been given various equations, starting with the one a11 a x1 plus a12 x2 up till a1n xn equals to b1, a21 x1 plus a22 x2 up till a2n xn equals to b2, and an1 x1 plus an2 x2 up till ann xn equals to bn. So this is n minus 1 steps of forward elimination. Now starting with the step 1. For equation 2, divide equation 1 by a11 and multiply by a21. So performing this activity, we have a21 upon a11 into a11 x1 plus a12 x2 plus a13 x3 plus a1n xn equals to b1. So here we get a21 x1 plus a21 upon a11 a12 x2 plus up till a21 upon a11 a1n xn equals to a21 a11 into b1. So if we subtract the result from equation 2, we get this kind of an equation: a22 minus a21 upon a11 into a12 whole into x2 plus up till a2n minus a21 upon a11 a1n whole into xn equals to b2 minus a21 upon a11 b1, or we can also write it as a dash a22 x2 plus a2n dash xn equals to b2 dash. So if we repeat this procedure for the remaining equations to reduce the set of equations as a11 x1 plus a12 x2 plus a13 x3 plus up till a1n xn equals to b1, a22 dash x2 plus a23 dash x3 plus up till a2n dash xn equals to b2 dash, a32 dash x2 plus a33 dash x3 plus a3n dash xn equals to b3 dash. So if we continue up till the n steps, we get as an2 dash x2 plus an3 dash x3 plus up till ann dash xn equals to bn dash. This is the end of our step 1. Now step 2 is to repeat the same procedure for the third term of the equation 3. So here you can see a1 x1 plus a1 x2 plus a13 x3 plus up till a1n xn equals to b1, a22 dash x2 plus a23 dash x3 plus up till a2n dash xn plus b2 dash, a33 double dash x3 plus up till a3n double dash xn equals to b3 double dash, and finally for n steps we have it as a n3 double dash x3 plus a nn double dash xn equals to bn double dash. So you can see that we have actually got some blank space here. So after the end of step 2, we at the end of n minus 1 forward elimination steps, the system of equations will look like this. So you can see that the number of terms have been decreasing with every step. First for the first step, second step, and then at the last of n minus 1 step we have the equations as a11 x1 plus a12 x2 plus a13 x3 up till a1 and xn equals to b1, a22 dash x2 plus a23 dash x3 plus a2n dash xn plus b2 dash a33 double dash x3 plus a3n double dash xn equals to b3 double dash. And with n minus 1 steps we have a nn to the power n minus 1 xn which is equals to bn n minus 1. Now after the step, or after the end of step n minus 1, we see the matrix at the end of the forward elimination comes out to be like this, wherein if we compare with the initial matrix, this is our A matrix which consists of all the coefficients, this is the X matrix, and this is the C matrix. So you can see that we have got a number of zeros here which is in the form of triangle. So we call this matrix as a triangularized matrix. So after triangularization we apply back substitution. So back substitution starting equations a11 x1 plus a12 x2 plus a13 x3 plus a1 and xn equals to b1, a22 dash x2 plus a23 dash x3 plus up till a2n dash xn equals to b2 dash, a33 double dash x3 plus up till an double dash xn equals to b3 double dash. And for the final equation we have it as an to the power n minus 1 xn equals to bn to the power n minus 1. So here you can see that in the last step, here we can directly find out the value of xn just by shifting a here in the bottom, that is you can see here that if we start with the last equation, so we get the value of xn as bn to the power n minus 1 divided by a n to the power n minus 1. So similarly, if we substitute the value of this xn here in this equation, so again we'll get the value for x3, and similarly if we go in the backward direction and substitute the following values of xn and x3 and x2, we finally get all the values of x1, x2 and x3. So I hope this video lecture was very beneficial for you. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.